Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder, and today I want to show you the difference between a Demister mirror which I got behind me and an ordinary mirror. So the Demister mirror has got a light, as you can see here. So when you turn on the water and there is a lot of mist in your bathroom, what Demister does is that it would hit a portion of the mirror. Usually it's right in the middle, not the whole mirror. It's just right in the center, a rectangular area it hits, and it prevents it from getting misted, and so it keeps that area clear for you to be able to use. I think my lens also needs cleaning because my lens is getting misted, not just the mirror. But you can see from farther distance that all around the mirror except the right in the middle is being misted. So you need an electric connection to your mirror to be able to get this Demister mirror. Whether it's worth it or not, it's your decision. And at the moment it is linked to my light above me. So when the light is turned on, electricity goes into this, and I can then turn this on and off by having my hand like this. When it is off, it acts as a normal mirror, and the mist will start to form all over the mirror. So if I want to turn it back on, put my hand like that, and then it turns on. To be completely honest, I didn't use this Demister mirror as often as I thought I would, but it's an additional thing that you might consider to have, but it doesn't come very cheap. Hence, I thought it would be good for you guys to know whether it's really worth it to spend the money to buy. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.